Happy Sunday, you guys. I hope you all having a great Sunday. You already know what it is. It's coffee time, y'all. So your girl about to make some iced coffee. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I sound like I just got up. And I did. And this is sugar-free caramel, y'all. Okay, you guys, the ice going in. I need more ice. A lot of teaching better make me coffee. All right, you guys, here it is. Bay did a great job, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you think, y'all. He did a great job, and it looks so good. Look at this. So good, y'all. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see this.